It seems that Tesla Model Ys built at Giga Texas will be a little different. A couple of days ago we saw very interesting images of Tesla Model Y, which had actually at Giga Berlin parking lot, which included parcel shelf and cargo hooks. How different they can be. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel. Help us reach 100,000 subscribers. I would greatly appreciate that. That would be great help. And ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. So after first introducing the Model Y parcel shelf at Giga Shanghai last year and just recently adding it to the production line at Giga Berlin, Tesla has brought the highly requested accessory to North America. During a recent drone flyover of Giga Texas by Brad Salon and also Joe Techmeyer, a white Model Y was spotted with its rear trunk open. Even though the footage is taken from a distance, it is clear to see there is some equipment sitting on top of the parcel shelf, or the cargo cover as it is more commonly referred. Joe Techmeyer, like I said, has captured a much better image of the Giga Texas Model Y parcel as you are seeing on your screen. Tesla says the parcel shelf is intended to conceal valuables, keep the sun away from groceries, or minimize noise from rustling objects. It is apparently also sturdy enough to serve as a shelf. That sturdiness means the accessory is not retractable and instead features a foldable design with a magnetic mechanism that holds it in place, as seen in a video shared by Evo Offer Official. I will have the link in the description of this video. So although we can see it in the video, the rear cargo area likely also features the new cargo hooks that were recently added to the owner's manual. Do you like this new Tesla with shelves in the back? Two hooks are located toward the front of the cargo area and two toward the back. The hooks are designed to be used with lashing devices to secure loose objects in the cargo area. You can watch a full video that I will have in the description of this video, friends. I will have the link there. But let me know, friends, what do you think about this? What do you think about Giga Texas Model Y now including parcel shelf and cargo hooks? Do you like the design like that of the parcel shelf? This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. I will bring you more news, and please ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage. I would greatly appreciate your help of helping us to get our goal of 100,000 Tesla subscribers at Torque News YouTube channel. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and see what I have for you next. Okay, earlier today I promised that I will have a report about Tesla Semi coming to its future home, the Gigafactory Texas. And here is that report. Tesla Semi now showed up at its future home of Gigafactory Texas with more Model Ys and possible new colors spotted. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel. Please help us reach our goal of 100,000 subscribers. We're now 70,000 plus. I would greatly appreciate it, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So a new drone flyover of Tesla Gigafactory Texas from our friend Joe Techmeyer shows a lot of activity at Giga Texas, including a Tesla Semi, a lot more Model Y vehicles, and even some potential new colors, the red colors, which I've reported earlier today. The new activity comes ahead of the Cyber Rodeo event, which Tesla is going to hold. So what is that Cyber Rodeo event? On April 7th, Tesla is going to hold an event at Gigafactory Texas in Austin called Cyber Rodeo. By the way, is anyone going, or did anyone get a ticket for Cyber Rodeo? If you are, please let us know. Send us some pictures. I would greatly appreciate it. And let me know, friends, what are your expectations from Cyber Rodeo? Do you expect any big announcement from Tesla or from Elon Musk? So it is expected to be the factory's grand opening, including the official launch of Model Y production at the plant. Now, I don't know if Tesla will hand over some Model Ys made at Giga Texas to its new owners, but maybe we should expect some Elon Musk dance at Gigafactory Texas grand opening, as he did at Giga Berlin grand opening and Gigafactory Shanghai. So we expect that Tesla might also bring a few surprises to the event, and the new drone flyover by Joe Techmeyer is starting to reveal some surprises. The drone pilot flew over the Gigafactory Texas today and spotted Tesla unloading a new Tesla semi-truck at the plant. Here's what Joe said. Tesla Semi arrives at Giga Texas. Here are a few more photos as it arrived and gets set up. Can't wait to see this in person during Cyber Rodeo. I'm glad Joe is going to Cyber Rodeo, and he says see a lot more to the site in my video out later today. By the way, I will have a link to Joe Techmeyer's Twitter or YouTube the description of this video, friends. Check it out. Joe is a great guy. So Tesla is currently building an electric truck in low volume at a factory in Nevada, Texas, Tesla's first Gigafactory, but it is expected to bring it to volume production at Gigafactory Texas in the future. However, this particular unit of Tesla Semi is most likely to be there in order to be displayed at the Cyber Rodeo event later this week. Techmeyer also spotted many more Model Y vehicles at the plant as Tesla is ramping up production now at Giga Texas. He noted that one had a rare package shelf, but it might have just been retrofitted as a work vehicle. I probably will talk about this more about this in my next report. Interestingly, the colors of some of those new Model Ys coming out of Gigafactory Texas appear to be different. It might be the camera or the lighting, but the black paint looks less glossy and the red is much darker. Let me know, friends, what do you think about these colors of Tesla's Giga Texas new Model Ys? As I previously reported, Tesla has talked about releasing new colors at Giga Texas, including a new red, but it has been mostly linked to Tesla's new paint shop at Gigafactory Berlin. It's unclear if Tesla has deployed a similar paint shop that is going to enable new colors as well. Well, if you remember, Elon Musk said that the paint shop at Giga Berlin is going to be the most advanced, and it will be also transposed and exported to other gigafactories. So I do expect Tesla to have the same quality paint shop at Giga Texas as it has at Giga Berlin. What about you? Let me know, friends. So more information is expected to be released during the Cyber Rodeo event later this week, including more details about a possible new mid-range version of the Model Y that has been revealed through an EPA filing, which I reported I think it was around March 13. If you remember, according to that filing of EPA, Tesla was preparing to launch a new version of the Model Y with a puzzling range of 279 miles and an all-wheel drive powertrain. Could it be the new Model Y with 4680 cells or LFP cells? I don't know. I would like to hear more about your thoughts on that, friends. And what about the model Tesla Semi? What do you think about Tesla Semi in Gigafactory Texas? Well, let me know, friends. Subscribe to our channel. Help us to reach 100,000 subscribers at this channel, friends. And any feedback you have about my channel to improve, I would greatly appreciate. Have a blessed day, and look what I have for you next.